I started with zero experience in AI. Within 2 years, I built AI businesses generating nearly $3 million. No coding experience, no degree, no investors, just a proven blueprint that actually works. In this video, I'm giving you that exact blueprint, even if you're a total beginner.
Out of 37,000 people in my free community, over 5,000 make $1,000 to $10,000 a month.
More than 500 are making over $10,000 every single month.
By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what AI business to start $10,000 with a 6-month roadmap.
Let's talk about what's really happening in the economy right now.
The middle class is being wiped out, and AI is accelerating it.
In 2024, 44% of companies replaced workers with AI.
Experts predict up to 30% of jobs will be automated by the mid-2030s.
No career is fully safe. Not law, not accounting, not medicine. Most will come out of this worse off. Here are the top 5 AI business opportunities for complete beginners. First, AI influencing you. Take complex AI topics and explain them simply. I hit 100K subscribers in 7 months, earning $2 to $5K a month. Second, AI consulting. Get paid for advice on using AI. I made $4K a month within 4 months, charging $997 a session. Third, the AI automation agency Puri set up AI systems for businesses. My students hit 25K MLers, I scaled past 100K MLers.
Fourth, AI education. Once you have real experience, teach others through courses or webinars.
Fifth, AI SaaS plants. Build software solving one business problem and charge a recurring subscription.
So where should you start? The AI automation agency is the best choice for beginners.
It teaches the most valuable AI skills and opens the door to education and SaaS later.
Here are the 3 phases of building your agency. Learn, apply, monetize. Phase 2, apply. Work with a few clients for free to build real confidence and skill. Phase 3, monetize. Start charging and grow fastest by niching down to one problem, one industry. Here's your 6-month plan. 2 months learning, 2 months applying, 2 months monetizing. The world is changing fast. This is your moment to take control of your future. Take this opportunity. Run with it. Start building your AI business today. If this blueprint helped you, hit that like button right now. Share this with someone who needs to see it powered, and subscribe so you never miss the next blueprint.